What's going on, guys? Welcome back to my YouTube channel. And today we'll be doing a mystery tackle box opening. This is my first ever mystery tackle box opening, or should I say my first opening on my YouTube channel. And here's the box. It's still sealed. I haven't opened it, as you guys can see. So it's a brand new box still. I just got it today. And hopefully there's some pretty cool little items here that I could enjoy. But let's get to it. Now to start off with, I'm gonna need the scissors and cut it open. So you guys can see that this is a brand new box. There we go. You see? So I have not opened it, so I don't know what will be in there. Now, this is the little this is the, I don't even know what this would be. The mystery tackle about your box. So it's not much. Here's the paperwork I'm looking for, actually. So there you're promoting the new Mystery Tackle Box Pro for walleye and inshore saltwater, which I got. We got a scratcher and a nice sticker. Now it's funny because none of the cards say what I got. Like, none of them got about the products, so I really don't know what the retail prices are to the items of the box, which is kind of funny. Let me go through the box one more time. We got a little book. You know, about Jigs 101. Might read this later on. But yeah, I actually don't see anything in here about my products that I've gotten today, the lures, the prices, retails, nothing. That's why I got stuck on the beginning with this card, because this is usually the card that gives you all the information, but mine doesn't. Oh well. But let me see, let's just start off with the first thing in the box, and this will be the Lucky Craft USA USA lure. It's pretty nice. It's white, and like I said, it's made from Lucky Craft. Looks like it might dive like around, I don't know, I'll say 5-7 feet deep. Nice little lure. Next thing will be the Daiichi. Is that the way you pronounce it? I don't even know. World's Sharpest Hooks. Pretty nice circle hooks. There's 4 of them. The size, let me see if I can find the size. Item. No. But if I were to guess, it's probably like a size 2 hook. I don't know. Pretty nice. I like the color of it. Definitely gonna be using these ones. The next thing will be the E-grade Bio Choke Minnow. And I'm not pronouncing this. If I'm not pronouncing any of this, I apologize about that. You know, but then there's some pretty nice lures here. You know, I like them. From E-grade Baits, saltwater. Let me see, let me pull one out for you guys. I didn't even take any of the other items out for you. I'll do it right now real quick. Nice little fish with the, I'll say, lime green tail. Pretty nice. It smells like plastic. Let's go back to the hooks. And this is my first ever opening on my channel, guys, so hopefully you guys are enjoying it. I might be a little boring, I'm sorry, but I'm just giving it a try. Here's one hook. And pretty nice hooks. I like them. And there's 4 of them. Next thing will be the saltwater edition jigs included, Charlie's. Pretty nice. There's a jig included, a white one. Oh, that's a pretty nice lures here. Pretty nice. Red with some nice red flakes on them. With the white jig. Pretty nice. Nice little tail. See the jig, white jig, red eye. Pretty nice. Pretty light. The jig's pretty light, so. And the last item of the box will be the twin tail minnow from The Usual Suspects. Pretty nice. Some other 4-inch lures with hooks already included. Pretty nice. Let's get a clear view for you guys as well. There you go. Kind of looks like the ones, like the egret minnows, but it's in a different color and different tail. But like the same type of little fish. You see, it's a little smaller. Very pretty nice. But yeah, guys, that's about it for the openings. Here's the box. And it's pretty funny how I didn't get the retail prices of any of the baits I got, but that's alright, like I said. No, but there you go, guys. It's a quick little video. Oh, you know what? I almost forgot about the scratcher. I'm gonna do it, and let's see if we get to win anything. I'm gonna pull a coin. Alright, let's do this. Your price. Now let's check the price first. Okay, so if I were to win right now, I will win a VRX fishing rod and a reel glove. Now let's give it a try. So I gotta match 3 symbols in order to win. Alright, first one we got a lure. Second, we got the little guy doing the happy dance. Ooh, 2 lures. Can we get lucky? Can we get lucky? Ah, power, not good. The grub. Last one. Ah, another grub. There it is. Close one. Well, there you go, guys. Here's my first ever mystery tackle box opening. Hope you guys enjoyed it. Please like, comment, and subscribe. And I'll see you guys next time.